No. Oh, it hurts. It hurts.
Good. Hey. I bet you cut a whole page of him, didn't you? A whole freaking page, and then you just cut him off. Where else am I gonna find Micah? Oh, hey, Micah. No Micah in there. What do I have about 5 Micahs now? 6? Okay, Micah, where are you? Did you put any Micahs in here?
No.
Did you eat my cookies? You didn't, but Micah sure did. You ever find Micah in the bathroom too? Come on!
Oh my god.
I bet Micah's in here too. Man. I'm on my rag. He's in here too. Yep. Oh, look, there's some colored ones too. Micah, Micah, Micah. Can we take these to his room?
Yes. We can tape him on his wall.
Let's write notes on the back of it. Write him a message. You have too much time on your hands. I'm pretty sure I didn't even get all of them either. Micah!
Show us the pictures of Micah. It's a scavenger hunt.
I'm having so much fun finding Micah. Did you put Micah in my toaster? Broke my nail. Is Micah in here? Why'd I just cackle real loud? Oh, Micah's on my face. Alright, where else is Micah? I know there's more.
Don't throw them away. You gotta keep them.
No.
Look what I have in my bra. Look what I have in my bra.
Do you have Micah in your bra?
No, I got tape.
Tape. Are the scissors in there too?
No.
Okay. Why are some of them colored? Did y'all print 2 pages? 6! 6!
Yeah.
There's no way this is all of them.
No, it's no way. It's all.
Let's go put him on his wall.
Hold on, let me find them all first.
We can't tell her where. We can't tell her where. We just gotta tell her if she doesn't find them all.
I'm pretty sure y'all put some in here somewhere. Because this isn't how I left it today. I don't feel like digging through all my clothes. Oh,
I don't think we put any in there, did we?
Probably. Wouldn't surprise me. Oh, I didn't look at my drawer.
Let's go put it on his wall while we're still recording.
Did I like hide them in my clothes or something?
No.
Why'd you just laugh, Hillary?
It's fucking
It's
hilarious.
funny. I don't think we put any in there. I know I didn't.
Let's go put these on his wall.
If it's not all of them, then where are the rest of them?
Let's go put him on his wall.
You're never gonna find some of them.
Did you put them in my pillowcase?
Some you're never gonna find. No.
No,
Not
we
that
didn't
one.
put any in your pillows.
Man, you have so much time. I'm pretty sure. I bet y'all been in here the whole time telling me to go to Iberville and eat.
No, we were in
No,
Iberville.
we were in
Because they
there.
had steak and shrimp. Let's go put these on his wall.
We didn't put any in there. It's some you haven't found though.
Come on, let's go. We can do that later. Let's go grab him and put him on his door.
Shoot. Oh shoot.
I'll bring the tape with me. Isn't this the best present ever? Do you love what we do?
I do. I love it. I may seem like it angers me, but it never does. I love it.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Here we go. Put these on Micah's door.
Oh my god!